Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into a couple of the interior cleaners that I really enjoy. Not only do they work really well, but they're extremely affordable and they can really save you money by eliminating some of the other chemicals that you may use to clean your interior. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your favorite product or your thoughts on these products if you've used them. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Other than that, these products will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested in them. So this is one of the Chemical Guys interior cleaners called Total Interior. I'm going through a lot of the Chemical Guys stuff, figuring out what I like and what I don't like, and this is one of the products I really do enjoy. This is called Total Interior. It's a cleaner and protectant. States here it's good for dash, glass, navigation, and more. The other great thing is it's good for leather and vinyl too. So it's basically good for everything in your vehicle. It's even good for carpets and fabric as well. So all around a great cleaner. I haven't used it on fabrics, but I've used it on everything else. I primarily use this for piano black, nav screens, the speedometer area, or your gauge cluster, and then like the window switches or any area that has like a shiny plastic to it, because this does not leave streaking and it's no residue. It's really easy to apply and does a really good job cleaning. So I simply spray it on the rag, clean off whatever I need. It's really good on piano black and nav screens because of that no streaking. Other than that, this is going to range $10 for a 16-ounce bottle, $26 for a half gallon, and $40 for a full gallon. So 40 might seem steep, but if you buy the 16-ounce bottle and decide you like it, it can replace a lot of those chemicals that do other jobs for you. So you can eliminate your leather cleaner, your carpet cleaner possibly. So all depending on how much you enjoy this product after using the 16-ounce bottle. If you're going to eliminate some of those, you're going to be saving a lot of money by buying that gallon and just refilling your 16-ounce. Other than that, it's got a subtle clean scent to it, very subtle, and it's not overpowering or anything, but still leaves a clean scent behind. The other great thing is it does protect as well. It's not just a cleaner, but it has UV blockers, so it's going to clean and protect. So if you want to, you can do your entire car in this one step and you're done. Next up, I have the P&S Double Black Reni Doyle Collection Express Interior Cleaner. This was primarily engineered for cleaning leather. So it does a really good job on leather, but it's actually an all-around great interior cleaner. For the 16-ounce bottle, it is anywhere from $7 to $12. If you get on like the Rag Company or an auto detailing website, it's around $7 or $8. If you get on Amazon, it's going to be around $12. And then the full gallon is $16. So that's extremely affordable. The other great thing is this is dilutable 1-to-1. So if you get the gallon, it's really like you have 2 gallons if you decide to dilute it, if you're happy with the way it works at 1-to-1. It has almost like a light, subtle, tropical scent. It's real subtle. It smells real clean. It's like a citrus tropical scent. I can't state what it is off the top of my head. Dashes, doors, vinyls, plastics, all of that. I don't know about fabrics like the Total Interior, but everything else. So this is another product that could eliminate a lot of your other cleaning chemicals, such as your leather cleaner. Leather cleaner can tend to get pretty expensive, especially if you have dirty leather seats. You can actually run through leather cleaner pretty quickly. So if you have a gallon for $16, this stuff will save you a lot of money in the long run. Other than that, the other thing I love about this product is you spray it on whatever you're about to clean generously, and you take your detail brush or your microfiber and you agitate it, and it actually foams up so you can tell where you've been, where you still need to clean, and it cleans really well. So dilutable 1-to-1, cleans, smells really good, both products. So this I use basically everywhere that I don't use this. This I primarily use on piano black window switches, shiny gloss plastics, and nav screens, because it leaves that no residue and works really well and protects it. This I go through and I clean everything else, door panels, dash, center console, anything like that, leather seats, and then after that I come in and both of these wipe down really easily. I come in with this Mcguire's Natural Shine. This isn't like the Gold Class or the Ultimate interior cleaner or anything like this. This is just Mcguire's natural shine. It's got Scotch Guard, it's non-greasy, dry to the touch, and it's got UV protectants. So whatever I clean with this, I can go back and I can protect it with this. The reason I like this is because it leaves a natural shine. I mean, instead of it looking shiny or anything like that, it's got a really clean, brand new look to it. So I love that brand new look, not overpowering with the shine or feel, you know, like it's slippery or anything like that. It's just a really good looking product, or it creates a really good looking product in the car, and it's very affordable at like $5 a bottle. So I stock up on this all the time. So these I use together, and then this. Yes, I could get away with doing the entire car with this or this, but stick to nav screens and everything with this glossy stuff, and everything else I use the P&S. So now I'm going to include a clip of actually using all of these products so you guys can see them in use, and let me know your thoughts down below. Okay, so all this like brushed aluminum and trim, and then the piano black, the buttons, the nav screen, all of that I would use the total interior on. All of this HVAC area would all be total interior because it's a streakless clean and does a really good job removing fingerprints and fuzzies and everything off of piano black and stuff like that. It's super easy. Obviously this isn't dirty. I always maintain my cars so they're really not dirty enough to show any significant cleaning ability right now, but in future videos when I use them on dirty interiors, you guys will see the effectiveness of them. But I'm showing you exactly where I would use the products. And then as far as P&S, we'll go ahead and show you how it works as far as the agitation and everything. So with P&S Express Interior, I simply spray it on and agitate the area. And it does have a really nice scent to it. Then I simply come in with a dry microfiber and I wipe it all down, and it leaves it looking amazing. And then after I apply that, that is when I'll take my Mcguire's, apply a couple squirts to a microfiber, and simply just go over the plastic trim. And it really brings it back to life, brings it back to looking brand new, and also has that UV protection. So that's what's great about it. It's very easy and effective. And then I love the agitation about it, how it foams up so I can see exactly what I've cleaned and what I haven't cleaned. And now we'll go in and we'll actually wipe down some of the piano black and stuff if I can find anywhere that's dirty. Okay, sorry, I really don't have much that's dirty. I recently cleaned it, and I always maintain my vehicles, but with the total interior I just spray a little bit on here, and it does a really good job of removing all that, the markings and everything that you get on your piano black. And I love how it just kind of disappears and leaves the surface looking really nice and clean. Now around here I'll usually take a detail brush and get in the cracks and everything. I'll go around here and just kind of clean the dust and debris out of the crevices, and then I'll come back with my total interior and kind of wipe it dry. And then I would also use it up on the nav screen, because it is also, besides having the functional buttons, you also have a touch screen, and so you do tend to get fingerprints and everything. So this total interior does a really good job of wiping that away. And all of this brushed aluminum and trim work and everything, that is where I use the total interior. So those are my two favorite interior cleaners and how I go about using them and where I use them. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts on these two products, as well as sharing some of your favorite interior cleaners. I know 303 Aerospace is a huge go-to, but that is a big price difference compared to these products. So I'm already happy with these products. I'm satisfied with the way they perform and protect, and so I'm going to stick with that route because it's affordable and does just a fine job cleaning. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys next time.